Ever wondered why selling a house feels like running a marathon backwards in flip-flops? It's like trying to organize a beach party in the middle of a Northwest Florida hurricane season. You're juggling repairs, decluttering, staging, and oh, that pesky paperwork. Well, don't fret. We've got a simple yet entertaining guide to prepare you for the sale. Step 1, declutter, or as I like to call it, the Great Unhoarding. It's like a weight loss program for your house. You'd be amazed at how much space you've been feeding those old magazines and mismatched socks. Let's say adios to the chaos and hello to a streamlined, peaceful haven. Remember, less is more unless we're talking about the sale price, of course. Step 2, fix up and shine up. Time to channel your inner Bob the Builder. Think of your house as a supermodel. It's got to strut its stuff on the real estate runway. So repair that leaky faucet, freshen up the paint, and make your house the belle of the block, because no one wants to buy a house that looks like it just survived the zombie apocalypse. Step 3, staging. The art of making your home look like it belongs in a fancy magazine. Think of it as a theatrical performance with your living room as the star. Even a plain room can sparkle with the right details, like well-placed lights and fresh flowers. So, tidy up, shine those floors, and remember, you're not just selling a house, but a dream lifestyle, or at least the illusion of one. Step 4, call in the professionals. Yes, that includes me, Christy Hebison. Now, you wouldn't let your plumber do your dental work, would you? Of course not. So why go at this home selling gig solo? Let a professional real estate agent like yours truly guide you through the process. From staging to paperwork, we've got the know-how to turn your home selling journey from a wild roller coaster ride to a smooth sailing adventure. So if you're tired of running that marathon in flip-flops, give me a shout. I will turn your selling journey into a breezy beach walk in beautiful Northwest Florida. If you're ready to sell your house, I'm here to help. Selling your house can be easy with the right assistance. Don't delay. Let's make your home selling journey a breeze. Call me today at 972-310-9262.